Another useful resource for getting answers to questions is a mailing list. There are many different mailing lists for PHP, but the best mailing list to be subscribed to is the PHP General mailing list available through php.net. If you go to php.net and click on Mailing Lists up at the top, you can see that there are many different mailing lists available. The General User List has the most information and the very best people answering questions. It is rare that a question goes unanswered on this list. Be sure, however, to follow proper etiquette before posting to the list. Check the manual first and provide as much information as possible when posting your question, or you are likely to get flamed and your question to go unanswered. Another good resource is Zend. You can visit them at www.zend.com. They maintain a developer zone that covers topics that range from beginner to expert, including a code library with donated source code for things such as email validators and other useful bits. Like the php.net user contributions, however, there is good code and bad code. Be sure to thoroughly test any code from any site, not just Zend and php.net, and be sure that you understand everything that the code is doing before using it. Hotscripts.com is a website that has a code repository. That means that, like the Zend code gallery, Hotscripts.com has a lot of pre-built applications and scripts that you may download. All code is donated by authors, and while some donate it for free, others may charge a small fee for their code. You can get anything from a credit card validation script to a full-blown content management system from Hotscripts.com. There's one more resource that I use on a regular basis, and that is Google. If I can't find what I'm looking for in php.net, Zend, or Hotscripts, I can inevitably find it through Google. The key is what you search for. For instance, a friend recently asked me what I knew about PHP and PGP, which is email encryption. I knew nothing about it, but when doing a search for PHP on Google, there were tons of references. However, when specifying PHP and PGP, we quickly found a page that described how to use PGP with PHP and even gave examples. If you were to do a search in Google for PHP, at last count there are 1.1 billion pages found. So whatever you are looking for, chances are there is a listing in Google for it.